Here we're going to look at using Methodmaths to revise specific topics in preparation for your GCSE exams. To get to Methodmaths, you need to go to the website, which is www.methodmaths.com. You can find a hyperlink to this within the GCSE page on Moodle. The centre ID is Holyrood, and the username and password are the same as your MyMaths logins and passwords. So, if we log in, you'll be greeted with a screen like this. Now this screen focuses primarily on previous GCSE papers and all of the questions in them. To get to the topics, which we're going to look at in this screencast, you'll need to click on the Excel document, which is just here. When you click on that document, it's going to take you to a page which looks like this, and this is your page where all of your topic revision is going to be stored. Now to get the files, what you need to do is download them. They're Excel spreadsheets, they're files which you can download, work on, and upload again back to the Methodmaths database where your scores can be held. You and your teachers can look at where you are and where you may need to work on next. I'm going to look at downloading a long multiplication spreadsheet, so to do that I go to long multiplication, click the download button, and it says your file's now ready to download. So we click OK. I've set a Methodmaths folder up on my hard drive, and I recommend that you do the same so that your files are kept in some sort of order. Now, don't change the file name because this is unique to yourself, and that's how Methodmaths recognises what you do as a student. So just save the file as it is. Hopefully your file will take a little bit quicker to download than what's happened here, but what you'll find is you'll have a notice which says your file has been downloaded, and if you go back to the folder which you created, you'll see in the folder you've got the documents, so the long multiplication is there. Now we're going to look at ordering values for this demonstration. So if you double click on the ordering values spreadsheet, then what will happen is you'll get the spreadsheet which looks like this. Now there are four types of questions. The questions in red are based around the new specification. Now the new specification are questions from the newer test which are most likely to be closest in style to the ones which you're going to face when you do your GCSE exam. The next set of questions are questions from previous exams since that were last examined in March 2012. The third set of questions are multiple choice questions which are really good for revision, and the green questions are older questions which contain plenty of hints and tips to how to complete the questions. So to start with, we're going to look at the red questions from the new specification. To do that, we click on the tab, question 1. So first question, 90 divided by 10. In this cell here we type the answer, which is 9. As you can see, 1 mark's been awarded, the cells turned green, that means the question is correct. Again, we're going to look at putting the numbers in order of size, smallest to largest. So the smallest number here is 0.6, the next smallest is 2.8, the next smallest is 4.71, and the next smallest is 13.4. Sorry. Again, 1 mark for that. That last cell's green, but all of those are correct. 7 over 10 as a decimal, 0.7. As you can see now, it's all lit up green. Of 3 marks, we've got the 3 marks which were awarded. You can go on yourself and answer different questions in the paper, as you can see, multiple choice, and the questions with the hints here, which are really, really good. Now, when you finish revising, you can save the work you've done and upload that to Methodmaths. To do that, you simply just click Save, and that saves the file in the folder which you've just created. If you go back to Methodmaths, you'll see that you can send work. So, if you click Browse for File, you'll see all of the files which we've downloaded. We've just worked on ordering values, so we click Ordering Values, Open, and then send the file. As you can see, it says success, your data has been uploaded, and there is a score and a percentage for that sheet. It obviously looks quite low at the moment, 3 and 4%, because we've only answered one question. If you want to go back and work on that file, you can either open the Excel document in the folder which you've created, ordering values, or if you're at a different computer, you can click download and download the file and pick up where you left off elsewhere. One last thing to mention is, for some of these topics, there's an F next to them. This means that this type of topic relates directly to the foundation paper. On the other hand, you've got topics with an H next to them. They relate directly to the higher paper. Topics which haven't got an F or an H next to them are topics which could appear on either paper. So you need to be making sure you're filling in those gaps in your knowledge if you're not confident about any of those topics.